Okay, this is the Miller Cat 3 years later. The time of recording is 2024. We first put this on in 2021. A lot of people have commented wondering how it makes it quieter. I don't know, it just does. I mean, it's some metal over something that would be rattling around. Also, there were some concerns about heat. It does not create any additional heat. We have driven it in desert areas, over mountains, and all different weather, long days of over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is done quite well. So now we'll see how it runs and take off with it. Turn. There we go. So you can kind of hear it now. So that's it. The Miller Cat after 3 years.